This is the Iconik Uploader. It allows you to manage media faster with the ability to add media, permissions, and metadata from anywhere in Iconik. The Uploader is contextually aware. So opening the Uploader from the search view, or a collection, or an asset will allow you to upload content into those places. Once you've added files to upload, you can choose where to store them. Choose whether permissions will be default, private, or inherited from a collection. Set a transcode priority if needed. And add any additional file permissions for users or groups. When the upload is complete, the Uploader can take you directly to your new content in Iconik. You can upload files like this from anywhere, because this Uploader is also available on mobile devices. Head over to our knowledge base to learn more about using the Iconik Uploader.